If you want to learn how to make money online using Facebook, then I'm going to show you how I've been generating leads like crazy and turning them into sales. So be sure to keep watching and let's get to it. All right, so let's quickly talk about how to make money online using Facebook. The first step in this whole process is that you want to optimize your profile for success. And I've broken it down to three different elements for your profile. And as you can see, I have the desktop version and the mobile version. So the first thing that you want to actually do is create a Facebook cover with a call to action on it. So for example, this is what I have on my Facebook page if you were to go to it right now. It says, learn the simplest way to start an online business in your spare time. Click the link in the bio. So when anybody actually clicks my cover photo, it'll have a call to action there and a link to my landing page. The second thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that this bio section right here is also filled out with a call to action and a link if you have the space for it, because Facebook only allows a certain amount of characters in this section. So if you have enough characters, then you could put your call to action and your link in here as well. In this third part right here, you want to also have that same link in this section. And you have the option to put some other information as well in here. I decided to put my Facebook business page in here, which is BrandTheBoss, and just the college that I attended as well, just to show people that I am a real person, and to establish some common ground with my visitors. But at max, I like to just keep this at 3, with one of those things being the link to my offer as well. But you can put whatever you want in this section. I just be sure to not create too many distractions for people when they come onto your profile. So let's talk about the 3 major elements in making money on Facebook. First, you need to build your following, and we do this through lead generation. Second, you want to nurture your following, and I use the KLT method for this, which is the know, like, and trust. Third, you want to actually monetize your following with an offer. So you want to be sure that you actually have an offer for the visitors that come onto your profile. So let's go deeper into these 3 major elements. So when it comes to building your following, we do that by utilizing Facebook Reels. This is Facebook's version of TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. And if you already have those different social media profiles, all you have to do is re-upload those same videos from those platforms onto your Facebook Reels. Because currently, it seems that Facebook does not care if you are uploading videos from the other profiles onto there. It doesn't really seem to limit your growth as far as I see right now. But if you don't have videos that you've already created for those different social media platforms, then you can easily create your Reels through the app itself, which is fine. But this is how we generate leads. And I'm going to show you some examples of the type of content to create to generate those leads and build your following on Facebook. So once you've actually generated leads and you have people coming into your Reels and following your profile or requesting you as a friend, what we do is we have to nurture the following that we have. And we use the KLT method for Facebook Reels and our posts. Now, what the KLT method is, it's a copywriting tactic that gets a target audience to feel that they know, like, and trust you. And by doing this, it'll monumentally be easier to get them to make a purchase. So I'll show examples of the type of content that you should be creating to get your audience to know, like, and trust you. Next, and the third thing is to actually monetize. And with this, you've got to have an offer. So this is an example of my offer. So if you were to click the link on my profile, it'll take you to a landing page, which shows you this right here. And then this is the result of my offer. So for anyone who wants to start a profitable online business but doesn't know where to begin, I'm showing them how to do that. And this is the end result of learning how to do that. The different commissions and the money that you earn. And if you don't have your own offer as well, you can easily just go to the link in the description and you can go through the process as well. This will be my landing page. Once you click that link, and you can go through that and you'll have your own offer as well. But let's actually go over some live examples of everything that I've discussed. All right, so here we are on my Facebook profile. As you can see right here, this is my cover photo. And when you click on it, this is what it says right here. It says, learn the simplest way to start an online business in your spare time. And I have a link right here directing them what to do. And then we go to my bio section right here. Same thing as I discussed in the illustration or in the slide. This is the same thing right here. This is just a live look of what it is. And let's take a look at another person's right here. So you have Chad right here. He also does the same thing. He has a cover image right here with a call to action telling you what to do to download his free ebook. And when you click on it, simple. It says download the book here, and you click the link and you can go ahead and download it. And in his bio, he has his call to action right here. Free book, How I Make $1,000 Daily Marketing Other People's Stuff. He obviously didn't put a URL here, which is fine because it is right here. And he also keeps his this section right here pretty clean. And yeah, I mean, this is just what it is. And so this is a really good example right here of also of how he nurtures his following. See the type of post that he makes right here. So he's providing valuable posts. This is a long form one, but it looks like it's a motivational post. And you want to go ahead and create these types of posts on your profile right here, like motivational posts, posts that are teaching people how to do something, maybe slight tutorials, things like that. If you're not really sure, then you can take a look at his profile and other people in your industry to see how they do it and the type of content it is that they post on their profile. And you can model the same thing as well. But this is how you get people to buy from you. This is a way of allowing them to know who you are, giving them a chance to like you and trust you as well. So not only do you have to create these types of posts, but create posts that are centered around your life as well. Different activities that you might do. You know, if you're vacationing somewhere, if you're going out to dinner, going out to concerts, whatever, just open it up a little, open your life up a little bit to people to get a peek into who you are as a person. So let's talk about the type of content that you can create. All right. So we'll go here to TikTok. This is a young lady that does digital products. And so all you have to do, if you need motivation or inspiration on the type of content to post in your industry, then go to somebody who's crushing it in their industry and model the type of content that they are posting right here. See, she does a lot of, she does some comedic things, some things that are teaching. You just want to go to somebody that is in your industry right here. And so if you sell digital products, this is somebody that you can go to and model the type of content that they create. And then you can create your reels around this as well. So let's go ahead and do a quick recap. All right. First thing you want to do is optimize your Facebook profile. This is the most important part right here. Nothing else matters if your profile isn't optimized, because people will hit your profile page and they won't know what to do. All right, so optimize your Facebook profile. Next, you want to utilize the three major elements. That's building, and we use Facebook Reels for that, building your following, nurturing your following, utilizing the KOT method, and monetizing your following with your offer and making sure you have an offer for your audience. And as I stated before, if you don't have one, then go to the link in my description. I have an offer right there, and you can offer the same thing to your audience as well. All right, that's it. Now you know how to make money online utilizing Facebook. Now be sure to go ahead and run back through that video, take notes just in case you didn't do it the first time. And if you found this video helpful for you and your business, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And all links that I discussed during the video will be in the description below. Other than that, I'm Mike Garvey Jr., the Passive Income Boss, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.